Hello friends, welcome in my channel Crochet Knitting and Craft. Today we are going to make this beautiful Rakhi. For this we will start with 0.75 mm hook, and we will start with the magic ring, chain 2. Consider this chain 2 as one double crochet and make other 4 double crochet. Material required is provided in the description box. You can check it from there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. Now put the hook in the second chain and pull this thread through this chain and make 2 chains. Now again 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Again we will do the same. Insert the hook in the first double crochet and then pull through chain 2. We will make 6 more petals like this. Now we are done here. We have total 8 petals here. Now we have made chain 2. Now we will join it with the slip stitch and cut the thread. Now we will start with another color thread. I am using here this pink or magenta color thread. Chain 3, tie the thread. Now make 4 more double crochet. Consider this chain as one double crochet and make 4 more double crochet. One, two, three, four, 5. Now we are making this in gap. We will do the same as we did earlier. Chain 3. Now make 5 more double crochet in same gap and make the pattern like this. Now we have made 5 double crochet here. Now from the very first double crochet we insert the hook and pull the thread through it. Now make chain 3. Now in this gap we will make a slip stitch. Again chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now again in next space we will make 5 double crochet, then a petal, then again 5 double crochet to make a petal. Do the same exactly we have done before. Now make one more petal like this, then slip stitch in second gap. Repeat the pattern. Now we have made chain 3 here. Slip stitch in the gap, chain 3, 1 2 3 and join with the slip stitch at the back at very first point. Cut the thread. Now we will use green color thread. You can use brown or other color thread also. I am using here this green color thread. Now join this thread here. Now secure the thread while we are doing our work. Make a slip stitch, 5 double crochet, five double crochet are done. Then slip stitch. Now slip stitch in next chain, this chain 3 space, make a slip stitch, 5 more double crochet, then again slip stitch, 2 3 4 this is 5. Now slip stitch, make slip stitch in the next chain space, slip stitch. Now make 5 more double crochet here, let's meet after completing this 5 double crochet. Now 5 double crochet are done. Now slip stitch here, slip stitch in the gap space, again slip stitch in the next chain space like this. Now again make 5 double crochet and then slip stitch and follow the pattern. We have completed this round. Now we will make a slip stitch here and take the thread to the back side. Now just cut the thread and take it to the back side. Secure the thread. Cut the extra threads. Now our Rakhi is almost complete. Now we will join a bead here. You can use any color of bead. I'm using golden bead here. You can use pink or any other color bead or white, whatever you want. Now secure the thread and cut it. Now I will use these threads to tie the Rakhi. I will provide link of these threads, how to make this thread, in this video or in description box. From there you can check how to make this beautiful thread. I have attached one part. Now similarly we will attach another part. So our Rakhi is ready. If you like it, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.